Hi students, welcome back to my online classes. I am present here with a new topic of environmental studies, which ABS. Through this video, we will discuss about chapter number 3 of environmental studies. Chapter number 3, the title of this chapter is The Food I Ate. The Food I Ate. This is the first part of this chapter. This is the first part. So, through this video, we will discuss about this chapter. And in this chapter, we will learn about some subtopics. You can see that I have written on the board. These are some subtopics. These are some subtopics of this chapter, chapter number 3. In this chapter, we will learn हम लोग सीखेंगे, we will learn about importance of food, we will learn about the sources of food items, we will learn about different food habits, we will learn about 3 kinds of food, we will learn about balanced diet. So these all are subtopics or content of this chapter number 3, the food I ate. First subtopic of this chapter is about importance of food. So let us start with the first subtopic of this chapter. First is about importance of food. What is the importance of food? Food का क्या importance है? This is not new one for you. Already I taught and already you have studied about food in class 1 also. Yes or no? Yes. So in this chapter, once again we will study about food. Food that we eat. About importance of food. First question is, what is food? Food क्या है? What is food? Food is basic necessity or basic needs of living things to life. Next question, why do we need food? First question is, why do we need food? Why do we need food? This is question. We have studied this question in class 1 also. Why do we need food? Tell me answer. Because this is a subtopic about importance of food. So what is the importance of food? The importance of food is food is basic needs of living things, basic necessity of living things to survive. जीवित रहने के लिए, बचने के लिए यह जरूरी है. Why do we need food? Why do we need food? So we will write answer. We need food to live. We need food to live because it helps us to grow. It helps us to grow. We need food to live because it helps us to grow and gives us energy. To to work and play. Why do we need food? Why do we need food? We need food to live because it helps us to grow and gives us energy to work and play. This is यह हम लोग फूड जो है हम लोगों को जिंदा रहने के लिए जरूरी है। क्यों? क्योंकि बिकॉज इट हेल्प्स अस टू ग्रो, यह हमें बढ़ने में वृद्धि करने में हमारी हेल्प करता है एंड गिव्स अस एनर्जी, गिव्स अस एनर्जी टू वर्क एंड प्ले, काम करने और खेलने के लिए हमें एनर्जी देता है। सो we need food to live because it helps us to grow and gives us energy to work and play. Energy means, for your level, energy means ताकत, energy means ताकत to work and play, और it gives us energy to do various work। दिन भर में हम लोग बहुत सारा अलग तरह का काम करते हैं, पढ़ते खेलते बहुत सारा काम करते हैं। तो to do physical work it gives us energy। Without energy we can't do anything, without energy we can't do study, we can't learn। So it is important, food is basic necessity, basic need to survive, that's why this is the importance of food। We are discussing about importance of food and what I said, what I have written on the board, why do we need food? We need food to grow because it helps us to, we need food to live because it helps us to grow and gives us energy to work and play। Importance of food, importance, so what is the importance? The first importance is, what is the importance? The importance of food, importance of food are, it helps us to grow। Second importance is, it gives us energy to do various work। Number 3, what is the third importance? It helps us to, it helps us to, it prevent, it sorry, it protect, it protects us from, it protects us from falling sick and fight against disease, DISEASES। So this is the importance of food। About why do we need food, already I have written the answer of that question। About importance, this is the first subtopic of this chapter now, about importance of food। First I have written 3 importance। First importance, it helps us to grow, it gives us energy to do various work, and it protects us from falling sick and fight against diseases। पहला क्या, ये हम लोग को वृद्धि करने में मदद करता है, अगर हम लोग भोजन ना करेंगे तो हम लोग बढ़ेंगे नहीं। सेकेंड, इट गिव्स अस एनर्जी टू डू वेरियस वर्क, या हम लोगों को हर तरह का काम करने के लिए, अलग अलग तरह का काम करने के लिए ताकत देता है। एंड इट प्रोटेक्ट्स अस फ्रॉम फॉलिंग सिक, या हम लोगों को बीमार होने से हमें बचाता है, हमारी रक्षा करता है। एंड फाइट अगेंस्ट डिजीज, और अनेक तरह की बीमारियों से हमारे शरीर को लड़ने में क्या करता है, ताकतवर बनाता है। We eat different types of food during a day, yes or no? So this is the importance of food.